Layton County in northeastern Georgia, northern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Walla, or 4 miles west of Oconee State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oconee State Park around.
Ah, crap. My radio died.
Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Pine Mountain, Mountain West, and Bad Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Raven, Georgia, and Oconee, South Carolina. Tornado watch number